Hello viewers, in this tutorial I discuss about features of 8086 microprocessor. So the most prominent features of 8086 microprocessors are following as it has an instruction key, yes, one instruction set, okay, which is capable of storing 6 instructions or instruction bytes from the memory, resulting in faster processing. Okay, and next one is it was the first 16-bit processor. So 8086 is 16-bit processor. We know that 8085 is 8-bit processor. I discussed about 8085 in previous, so if you don't know, then you can watch it. So the internal data bus and 16-bit external data bus resulting is faster processing. It is available in 3 versions like 8086 5 megahertz, and next one is 8086 version 2, which is 8 megahertz, and next is 8086 1, which is 10 megahertz. Okay, so it used 2 states of pinwheeling. So its first one is fetch storage or fetch stage and execute stage, which improves the performance. So first one is, and second one is execute stage, and next one is fetch stage can prefetch up to 6 bytes of instruction and stores them in the queue. So next one is execute stage executes these instructions, but in 8086 it has 256 vector interrupts. It consists of 29,000 transistors. Okay, 29,000 transistors. Okay, so thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.